Hi guys, let's go over when we use some and when we use any. We use some and any with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. To make your life a little easier, you can think of it as just plural nouns and uncountable nouns. So plural nouns are nouns where there's more than one, right? Like apples, oranges, bananas, right? Has the S at the end, which indicates there's more than one of those items. So let's look at some examples. I have some bananas. So because this is a positive sentence, we use some. So this is the rule. Some with positive sentences and any in negative sentences. So for example, like we just said, I have some bananas. So it's a positive sentence. You're saying, I have it. I have some bananas. So we use some. Now let's look at the opposite. I don't have any bananas. This is a negative sentence. I don't have. I don't have any bananas. So we use any. So again, I have some bananas is positive. So we use some. I don't have any bananas. It's negative. So we use any. With uncountable nouns like air, water, and money, we can't count them, right? You don't count 1 air, 2 airs, 3 airs, or 1 money, 2 monies, 3 monies. So these are with uncountable nouns. You also use some with positive in positive sentences and any in negative sentences. For example, I have some money. I don't have any money. So the first sentence is positive, so we use some. I have some money. And in the second sentence, it's negative. I don't, right? I don't have any money. So because it's negative, we use any. So let's go ahead and test ourselves with these 5 questions. You're going to fill in the blank with some or any, and we're going to go over each one by one. Don't worry, we can take our time. I'm going to count to 5, and if you need more time, just pause the screen, okay? So the first sentence, there are lions in the zoo. Is it with some or with any? There are some lions in the zoo or there are any lions in the zoo? Some, because it's a positive sentence, right? There are some lions in the zoo. Okay, now let's go over the next one. There's money in the drawer. Is it some money or any money? Some, right? It's a positive sentence. Positive, uncountable. There's some money in the drawer. Okay, let's go over number 3. There aren't monkeys in the zoo. Some or any? What do you think? Any. There aren't any monkeys in the zoo. This is a negative sentence because it has not. Are not. Aren't is are not. Okay? There aren't any monkeys in the zoo. There isn't water in the fridge. Any or some? Any, right? There isn't, is not. There isn't any water in the fridge. It's negative and it's uncountable. Okay, last one. There are bananas on the table. Is it some or any? Some. It's a positive sentence. There are some bananas on the table. Very good, guys. Let me know how'd you do. And I will see you in the next lesson.